Okay, a couple days before we leave for the America's 911 ride, and we've got some chores to do. Number one, we've got to adjust these shocks because they are killing me. Got to get the proper adjustment on them. I thought we had it set, but apparently not. Second of all, the battery, which after reviewing the records was put in 2019, is starting to die, so we want to get that replaced before we leave. And then we come over here. I was washing, I discovered that this foot peg is falling off. So we gotta work on that. And this one needs adjusted, it's just a little too high. I need to adjust that down a little bit. And finally, we took the backrest and luggage rack off. I'm gonna put the tour pack back on it. So we'll get to work. So we got the ECM out of the way so we could access the top of the battery cover. Then we were able to get to the battery, and from there I was able to remove the battery, and at that point we could get the new battery in. So there we are with the new battery and ready to go back together. Working on the foot peg, getting adjusted, getting it set right, getting it equal with the other side. That was a little bit of a chore, but we got it done. Okay, we have the ride set for as soft as it'll go. So maybe that's the problem. So we're gonna adjust it. I'm gonna take it 2 clicks the other way. That's 1 click on that one. I'm gonna take it another one and we'll see if that helps with the ride any. The right saddlebag has a power outlet on it, and when I pulled the saddlebag off, I noticed that the wires are off. The little plastic clips that hold them are coming off. So we replaced them, and then I saw that we had a break in the wiring, so we stripped that and we went ahead and soldered that together and put it back together. So we got that back working. All right, we got our new battery in. I've adjusted the shocks. I took it 2 clicks. We'll see if that helps with the ride any. We adjusted the peg on this so it's tight again. And we adjusted this peg so it fits good now. It's the same distance and setting as the other one. Everything left to do now is put the tour pack back on.